Hello everyone. Now let's create quotation. We have seen what is quotation. We have seen what are the various master data it is required. We have seen how quotation type is configured in the system. Now let's create one quotation. So let's navigate. We'll go to logistics, sales and distribution, sales, then go to quotation. VA21 is our transaction code. Okay, and we have seen quotation type, we have configured it, correct? So qt is a quotation type. Sales organization we will select, and distribution channel we will select what as per the configuration 00. And as I said, sales office, sales group are uh, the not mandatory but optional. So here I would like to say one thing. Now I'm creating standalone quotation, right? Had we configured in the quotation type, the sales document type Qt, that only reference, you can create quotation only with the reference document. You remember I had specifically told when we were talking about the quotation configuration, there is a field where we can make it mandatory. You cannot create standalone quotation. You have to create only on the basis of reference document. What is the reference document for quotation? That is inquiry. So inquiry is should be used for creation of quotation. But have you seen, have as we have seen in our configuration, we have not made it mandatory. So we have an option to create a standalone quotation, or you can create with reference. Okay, if you create with reference, you have to give the inquiry number here. All right, this is an additional input. Hit enter. See if it doesn't make mistakes. 17. Okay, now let me give one sold to party. Okay, and let me copy that as a ship to party as well. Then some PO. Okay, the PO number. This is one. Sorry, this is the PO number, and I will take material finished goods 2 to 6. I my quotation is for 10 quantity. All right. So the date is picked up by default. Today's date. Today is 30th August. Now let me hit enter. Okay, that's some common. Okay, so now we have to, now quotation number is not generated. Here one more input. While creating quotation type, says document type, we have assigned some number, right? The number range. We should get the same number range or number when you create quotation. I think it begins with 3. I think it is 3, 3000 something. So we need to, as we assigned the number range, the same number range should appear here as well. Now I've entered sold to party, ship to party, all the, and I've given sales organization and the distribution channel, division, material. So there are many sources of master data. One is the material, another is sold to party, the sales organization, or I should say sales area. What is sales area? The combination of sales organization, division, and distribution channel. Okay, so these are all source of various master data, and with these sold to party and then material and all, we are capturing other price related information also. Okay, apart from that, we have the configuration data, configurations which are also impacting the behavior of this document, like configurations. What configurations? Yes, the quotation type. Okay, now let me save this. Okay, okay, it said something, correct? It said your document is incomplete. I want to show now. The quotation number is created. Okay, okay. So my quotation 20000010 has been saved. Okay. So now let me see whether this quotation is complete or not, because as I see there was some error which I found that your document is incomplete. So let me open this quotation in change mode, then I will go to here the incomplete log. What it says, yes, in incompletion log it says the quotation has some incompletion parameter, that is quotation valid 2. As I mentioned in my earlier classes, quotation, the validation expiry date is important, the validity date is important. Okay, the prices and conditions, terms and conditions is valid only up to that particular date. If not, your document will be saved, but it will remain incomplete. You will not be able to process it further. How to fix this? Double click this, take you to the field where that needs to be yeah, updated. Go back, then document, now it is completed, and now you can say yes, quotation will be saved. And if you go in the display mode for the same quotation, just you can see the sales view, and you have where it gives all the information related to price, material, quantity. Then if you go to shipping, it gives all the information, what's plant, which is shipping, which plant, which is shipping point, everything. The net value is 353.50. And okay, so you can have many other options in the menu bar, and we can go through the document. All right, thank you.